In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Users and Accounts. Then select Open under Google. Hit Google Password Manager over here and finally select Add Password. Now input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!